เบนยังไม่มาใช่ไหมพี่เบนยังไม่มาใช่ปะมาแล้วเหรอหมายถึงว่ามือกลอง
I used to play in an indie band as well. I had my own band, so I kind of like know how it feels to start a band in Bangkok. The struggle of during the early stages of being a musician, like an artist, it's like really hard. It's like trying to find the right community.
These guys are the whitest crow. The whitest crow.
At that time, we didn't have like such good venues that had like proper lightings, proper sound equipments. It's basically like a plug and play with shitty gears. What we were lacking was a space that the artists and audiences can like connect to each other. At that venue, it was like really big. It was like 500 people. But it's a bit too stressful for new artists to perform at that because if the tickets weren't selling that good, it would have this big hall with not many people. So it kind of feels like lonely for the artists. So I then came up with the idea that, okay, why don't we do a space that's slightly smaller, like 200 people, so that it doesn't get that stressful for the artists on stage.
Thailand is a very mainstream-driven music industry. The majority of bands that get booked for regular gigs or regular festivals are still the ones backed by bigger companies and bigger labels. So when you're indie or independent, it's always an uphill battle.
Wait for them to come in, so maybe you can like maybe add some jam element to it. But I'm thinking like for Namcha and Valentine, probably like a really stripped back section. What's wrong inside my chest? 'Cause my fucked up
จริงการมันหายไปเยอะมากกูรู้สึกแบบมันเหลือแค่แบบไฮกับโลอ่ะ
Yeah, I have like 7 other co-founders. We know each other, we trust each other, we know what each of us are putting into the community. It's not a work relationship, but it's kind of like brothers, something like that. The greatest challenge was getting people to know what a live house is, because in Thailand, like the terms of live houses has just like started like for around like 3 or 4 years. Before, the only place that has live music would be bars. Our main priority is like to put on good shows for the audiences to enjoy. Let the audience experience what good live music is.
The West Crow is like one of my favorite brands as well. They've been doing really great. He had like a opening album here. When they released their first single, so they played here, and that was actually kind of like the first few months that we opened. They made their like album party, like single party here. Yeah, so it's kind of fun. Yeah. I'm knackered. Knackered.
Knackered, like tired.
Yeah, I learned this from I learned it from like coming up roses that they came to play here and they like taught me this word. Yeah.
ช่วงนี้ไม่ค่อยได้ดูตลก
ไม่ดูอะไร
ไว้คอครับผมพี่มีเวลานอนจริงเหรอเลย6 นาทีดีเจครับพี่วันนี้ดีเจครับ
แล้วมีอะไร
ว่าไงครับผมเจดีมีเจดี
ข้าวเจดีย์
ไปชเวดากอง
ก่อนที่ไหนชเวดากองคือที่ไหน
เวดากองไม่รู้กองอยู่
กองอยู่ที่
But usually I feel really great after the bands like play, and if the band's happy, I'm happy too. So I guess I hope most of the time like the bands like feel like happy at performing at Blueprint, and like looking forward for them to come back one day. Hey.
It's a gift.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
For you.
I will send you. I will send the link to the recordings like to Victor.
Oh,
Okay.
Without
So you get
community,
that,
no
yeah.
one's going to come into your show. I think it goes a long way for indie bands to know that like there is a space for them, and there is like a launch pad for them to do something bigger. And I think it's something to keep your passion and your fire burning.
It's like we have this saying that if it's not us, then whom? So that kind of like gets me going, like keeps me like from like running this place and like keep supporting like the bands that like want a place to perform.
Let's go to Kaosan Road. Few tourists. Is
Oh.
it okay to go Kaosan Road right now?
Perfect timing.
Yeah.
perfect time.
What should we eat
I want
there?
to remember it as a place that kind of like drive the community forward. Maybe one day there could be like a better live house than us. I want to see these bands become headliners and come back to play at our place and bring in like 250 people and like do more shows, sold out every show. I want this place to kind of like attract new audiences as well, for them to learn about like new music from other artists that they might not know. Like I want them to like discover that music scene in Bangkok is more than that what they see on the mainstream media.